क्या था कि बचपन से I wanted to do this. Also like for a very long time I was just training. तो मतलब I used to play on my head कि people asking आप क्या करते हैं? I said, हाँ जी, I'm going to become a singer. No, not strict. I think one thing that dad has been very open about कि he always said कि freedom is the most important thing. No matter across all things, even sport. मुझे goalkeeper बनना था, he said goalkeeper बनो. मुझे विकेट कीपर बनना था, बोला विकेट कीपर बनो. So he's always given that freedom, and with singing also the same thing. Obviously, he's always there. In this line of work, I think it's important to be sort of clear with your emotions and also understand your own emotions. And I think that's where the best songwriting comes from. I think Jadugari is also an expression of just emotion, right? It's that emotion of pure love, pure passion, and yeah.
बहुत सारे माही आपने देखे होंगे बट इनसा माही कोई ना हुआ बिकॉज माही वे इज एक्चुअली द वे ओनली जो आपको कानों तक, दिलों तक और पेट तक हर जगह तक पहुंचेगा. कमाल आवाज और बुलंद जज्बात के साथ. Welcome you to Filmy Mantra. I'm Moasi Hari. Firstly, how are you feeling? This fresh morning you've started with such a great personality, of course. Tell me that.
Very good. Super excited because this interview already, her interview me, you get the energy immediately, and this energy is very positive, very happy. So just excited, excited to talk, excited to have a fun conversation and share it with everyone.
How do you feel being as a singer? Like what's that feel you get? Like when I say I'm a journalist, I always being said अरे बहुत सवाल पूछता है. अभी तो dating applications have also become that way. अच्छा, what do you do? What's your age? What's your height? Okay, that's not matching. Left. So what's up with you when you are a singer? How are you?
I think क्या था कि बचपन से I wanted to do this. Also like for a very long time I was just training. तो मतलब I used to play on my head कि people asking आप क्या करते हैं? I said, हाँ जी, I'm going to become a singer. And that was very odd. ना तो लोग would say, हाँ okay, going to become a singer. चल कर लो. But now to finally have the songs out is something completely different because I can say हाँ जी मैं थोड़ा कुछ गाता हूँ and एक दो song आ चुका है and that makes it that much better. So it's good. I wanted to do this all my life. So just to tell people कि I'm a singer. कभी I get mixed reactions कि पक्का and other times they're like wow chasing your dreams. So it's good.
You talk just like your father, I must say.
Gee, yeah.
There's no difference I can find in the way of moving hands and eyeballs.
So जब से I started singing, I started picking up a lot of his mannerisms. So yeah.
But how strict father he has been as a singer? Because
not at all. No, not strict. I think one thing that dad has been very open about कि he always said कि freedom is the most important thing. No matter across all things, even sport. मुझे goalkeeper बनना था, he said goalkeeper बनो. मुझे wicket keeper बनना था, बोला wicket keeper बनो. So he's always given that freedom, and with singing also the same thing. Obviously he's always there.
अगर आप इंडिया मुझे play में वृक्ष बनना है, वो भी बने बोल दे.
Maybe, but I think क्या था कि वो singing में obviously if I'm not singing sur, he'll tell me sur में गाओ. So it was that sort of, I wouldn't say strictness, but that mentorship was always there. He was always there to correct me. But in terms of like strictness, I wouldn't say he was strict.
So how naughty and badmash you have been there? Very pretty. I can sense that.
Yeah. But I think that's the fun. I think especially as umar mein to be all ji is one thing, and to also have some fun is also another thing. So I try to keep a good mix of both. जी.
अभी हालिया मैंने रॉकस्टार देखे थिएटर्स में, तो उसमें वो है ना.
मैंने भी
I'm going again. कल आज शायद I'm going to watch with इम्तियाज सर.
Oh wow.
Today. So वही मैं जानना भी चाहता था साथ कि उसमें एक लाइन है, वो बोलते हैं कि जब तक दिल ना टूटा हो, कोई दर्द ना हो तो एक अच्छा सुर नहीं निकल पाता, आवाज नहीं आती. तो मुझे कुछ बताएं.
I'm so happy you asked this question. I went to watch Rockstar 1 week ago, and when I saw that line, all I was thinking was exactly. और जब भी मैंने I heard that line ना, मैंने यही सोचा कि अभी तो next thing in line for me is heartbreak. So nothing yet. Art is अभी भी full piece, but maybe
covered with the shield.
Yeah, I'll have to fall in love and then fall out of love.
You've not fallen in love ever.
Maybe, it's...
What is this answer you're giving? There is no maybe. Either yes or no.
But, the fun thing is that until you meet the one, you never know what the ones before truly love. I hope they were. I think they are. But
You were already in love बचपन से. That was I was talking about. ये जो मुंडिया हिली है
और यार अरे यार
तो यही
बताने वाला था यार. I was just nearing the punchline. Yeah, but I think that's the most fun part about singing is the expression. Every song has that personal touch. Even Jadugari for that.
Yeah.
It's about that feeling.
Yeah.
Of at this age, love feels like that. Matlab, it's just passion. It's just rainbows, and I think that's what it's all about. When you fall in love with a girl, it's just she becomes your world, and I think that's what we try to capture in Jadugari. That feeling of just passion.
क्योंकि I'm talking about you and your personal trait and experience at the same time. I want to know who all female singers do you listen to? Like ever checked off Rekha Bhardwaj ma'am? Her style is very different, right? And then Richa ji is there. The new voice is also emerging nowadays. So tell me all that nasal and nakara of Asha ji, and Lata ji, all that. Tell me that.
Gee, I think in terms of longevity, what we'll see is that so many female singers across my two favorite, given the generation I was born in, would be obviously Shreya ji and Sunidhi ma'am.
Oh.
Because how they've sort of ascended through generations as well. Obviously the incredible. Even I'm getting nervous to say her name also, Lata ji and Asha ji. How much they've contributed towards music as a whole. From literally, decades upon decades. It's learning for everyone, regardless of whether you're a male or female singer. There's so much to learn from there. And even recently, even Nikita Gandhi or Jonita Gandhi, there's so much to learn from all of them. And especially nowadays, with so many voices, even Lisa Mishra. I think Lisa's pitching. If you hear her sing live, it's ridiculous. It sounds like she's perpetually 2020 tuned. So, it's just all learning. So I'm at that stage also where I'm just trying to absorb and learn from everyone. So that's where I'm at right now, and with these incredible singers in the country, that's all I want. I recently I ran into Shreya ji at the airport, and she was so sweet. So yeah, just excited.
बोलने आपने की कोई गाना सुना है वैसा?
जी,
have you ever requested any singer
for a song?
Yeah. कोई तो होगा.
Honestly, पापा से काफी.
What is this? घर में.
Yeah. I think my favorite one of that is Mehu Don. Yeah, I love it. So just recently there was a party and he was singing. So my friends and I had that. वो Snapchat पे आता है ना वो sort of teleprompter वाला feel where you can just the text keeps moving. So we had gone to put Mehu Don on stage, but by the time we had reached, he was already leaving stage, so he didn't get it.
तो ये चलो बेटों के साथ भी होता है. Not only the fans are जो concert में थे लेके खड़े थे गा दो. Equal behavior with everybody, है ना? But अभी आप singing को कैसे देख रहे हैं? Because nowadays this new term has come across. There are no set rules for love, relationship, journalism, for singing, for acting. This is this has become very famous. So I want to know how do you pick your songs? What all work you do before doing that? I want to know your process.
So technically I'm a classically trained singer. I've been doing Hindustani classical with my Guruji. So that's sort of the foundation. But in terms of picking the music and doing that, it's all very sort of by ear. I think आजकल what's so important is the sort of sonic sound. There should be some sort of continuity. It shouldn't be कि 1 second it's completely different and the next second the song is also going in a completely different space. I think there has to be that sort of familiar feel, at least for a musician when they're listening to a music that's their own. Playback में it gets a little different. But I think in this case for me I need to immediately sort of register with it. So the best thing is to make music yourself, to get into that process when you start from scratch with the composer or producer. So mainly I think that's the best thing, when I can sit with the producer, we'll make a beat and the composer will come along, and जब वो composition is ready, then we'll start doing lyric writing. So I'll start with demo lyrics and वहाँ से we'll speak with the lyricist and sort of get to where we have to.
What all you are expecting? Because of course Janata is giving you love. That's pretty sure. Even you keep on coming to my feeds when I was not even following you.
Thank you.
And then I followed you, है ना? So all things, kudos to you. I'm loving sorry. है ना? Yeah, that's something people should say. So tell me all that feeling. How do you feel? You get lots of love and admiration.
It's pretty humbling. Honestly, I think at this point the normal thing to say would be, I don't want to focus on social media. मेरा focus बिल्कुल music के ऊपर है, but I'm 19. I'm looking at social media. Instagram पे हर दिन reels देखता हूँ. I can't help it. And to see that sort of love means the world. क्योंकि I know, every day the viewers getting smarter. They know what's actually happening and what's fake. So for them to shower that love and say banda अच्छा गा रहा है, that means the world. And also it's motivation for me to keep doing. Because what happens is, if you're not sort of receiving positive attention, you think यार ये तो बावला है. You're not good. This one, you can look at it like that, or you can think now I'll work for it. But when you're already receiving the positive attention, then I think it's important to keep going. Because you want to make good on the people's expectations. Because they're putting in that love, they're showering you with all of that, so you have to give something back. And for me, that means training harder, getting better.
Yeah.
Taki I can sing in sur and sing on tal.
I want to know how emotional person you are.
जी.
आप कब रोए थे आखिरी बार?
I think pretty recently.
Why?
Pata ladies.
Same.
It was so sweet. मतलब at the end.
Kiran Rao, I'm sending you this video already. I'm pinging you over your WhatsApp.
Gee, it was yeah. I don't know at the end how everything just sort of tied back together. You just get that jolt, and then it just starts. But I think that was such a beautiful. And even the music that the way Arijit sang. I thought it was, man, what a film. I loved it. So that was that, and I'm pretty emotional. I think in this line of work, I think it's important to be sort of clear with your emotions and also understand your own emotions. And I think that's where the best songwriting comes from. I think Jadugari is also an expression of just emotion, right? It's that emotion of pure love, pure passion, and yeah.
How do you manage yourself when you cry? And what kind of songs do you yourself listen to? Do you go and listen to item numbers as well? Purane Fevicols and Shikha Jawani. Have you ever gone and sat and listened to all those?
Yeah, of course. I think my favorite type of music to listen to is all happy, peppy music. I think I'm not someone who enjoys sort of that sort of super duper emotional sort of feeling.
But दिल टूटा नहीं है, टूटेगा तो बताना.
हाँ जी.
Anyway, फिर बैठोगे ना घर में एक सोफे पर पता चलेगा.
One day.
One day, manifesting also.
हाँ, क्योंकि Rockstar का line ना सर.
These things doesn't happen in real life, I must tell you.
Okay. But I think तब तक it's a lot of happy stuff. So I love say like that sort of energy, that fun, that passion. I love that music. That's the kind of music I'm listening to. And obviously item numbers. People can say interviews में नहीं सुनता हूँ, but who doesn't love Sheila की Chamani at the end?
I don't want to make it national's peppy number of.
It is. I think already it is. It's amazing track, and all those tracks are fun.
We'll start with wrong.
जी.
What is wrong? We'll start with sorry.
जी.
जादूगरी.
जी. Wrong.
And पता नहीं कहाँ से आ
गया. Okay.
Wrong. कुछ भी. So I wanted to sing bits of sorry and then जादूगरी.
ओ सजना वे सुन सजना वे से तू मुझको ठगे ओ सजना वे सुन सजना वे ऐसे ना मुझको ठगे. That was sorry. क्या chorus है ना, you do जादूगरी सर. मिलना तेरा लगे कोई जादूगरी मिलना तेरा लगे कोई जादूगरी किस्मत पे आए ना जो आए ना यकीन मिलना तेरा लगे कोई जादूगरी. जी.
Arey wow, so lovely it is.
Thank you.
Taking you to peppy numbers also. Sing one, no? I want.
बिच्छू में रहने ना बड़ी जहरीली आँख मारे.
Lo-fi बना दिया.
Lo-fi बना दिया. That's the latest trend ना. यार वो ढोल नहीं है यहाँ पे तो I couldn't sort of enjoy it. तो थोड़ा lo-fi वाला version किया. But yeah.
Wonderful it is. Okay. At the same time, because of course the world is changing, how your singing has evolved because you've been classically trained, right? So what all learnings you're also taking from your father. Also there must be days when Shan is also sad. There are things when they don't happen the way we wanted,
जी.
right? So has he ever come to you and discuss about profession and life?
जी of course. I think you know the one thing is कि इस industry में highs and lows काफी है.
Yeah.
And obviously I mean 2 months in I don't know what the highs or lows look like, right? क्योंकि अभी शुरू किया. I'm not reached super high, I'm not reached super low. But hopefully at some point I'll get to experience both. And one thing I know is that I'll always sort of have him there to sort of guide me through because he's done this before. You know, he's seen the highs, he's seen the lows, and he has all those learnings. And I think I'm very lucky to have that mentor with me throughout. Okay. At some point, if I am fortunate enough to experience these highs and lows, then I'll have him there with me to pull me back down or pull me back up.
देख सकते पापा का भी हो जाए.
जी of course.
वो तो पब्लिक डिमांड में को डीएम ही आ रही थी.
जी,
गवाना
जी.
जरूर.
कौन सा my favorite one. I've been doing this a lot, but मंजिल नहीं है जाना है कारवां चलना किल है यहाँ तन्हा दिल तन्हा सफर ढूंढे तुझे फिर क्यों नजर तन्हा दिल.
Awestruck होगी जो मैंने देखा है ना इधर उधर कैमरा में. Oh my god, so blessed to have you on board firstly for this lovely conversation.
जी.
I believe you loved it.
I did.
100% बोल भी नहीं सकती मैं. I wish आप चाहें लोगों तक और पहुंचे, उनको अपना मंत्र मुग्ध जो है मैसेज भी दे दें ताकि वो आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा देखें, सुनें और परखें.
Hi guys, this is Mahi and I've had so much fun speaking to Adi on Filmy Mantra. Or I hope you guys do like the track Jadugari and do keep listening.
Yes, that's the Jadoo Amdi Gari. Thank you so much. Keep watching us. Lovely.